Hey learning enthusiast, how are you? Hope you are well. Here I have presented most important formulas of the algebra. Well, learning formulas to learn the algebra is like having a superpower. It enhances your learning journey. So let's get started. The first most important formulas of the algebra is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Try reciting this formula. Having the most fundamental superpower of the algebra, now let's move to the second most important and fundamental formula of the algebra. It is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Well, recited, done. Then you have the two superpower to learn the algebra. Now let's move to the third superpower, formula of the algebra. It is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b times a minus b. Now let's move to the fourth superpower, a plus b whole cube. Well, before that, let me tell you the formula that I have told you before, the three formulas, these are the most fundamental formulas. After that, the formula that I'm going to tell you right now are the second most important, I would say, because these formulas are a bit less used in the algebra, but not so less. First of all, recite these first three formulas, and after that you can go for these formulas. These formulas are also very important. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Well, you have the fourth superpower to learn the algebra. Now let's move to the next formula, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Well, now you have the five superpower to learn the algebra. Now let's move to the another formula. It is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Now you have altogether how many superpowers? Well, 6 superpowers. Now let's have the seventh superpower. It is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now you have the seventh superpower to learn algebra. Well, now let's move to the next formula. A plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Well, now you have all the superpower that is highly required to learn and enhance your algebra learning journey. Good luck. Well, I haven't mentioned all the formulas here. So what do you think? Which formulas are left to be mentioned here? Write down in the comment section. Let's see who is the most genius. Good luck. Also, please subscribe to my channel because 98% of the people who ever watch my videos, they do not subscribe to my channel.